So, first part, CDP and computed properties. When customers go to our website and they create a new account, they're being directed to connections where they're being asked to connect their website, their platform, as well as all the ecosystem apps around them. Obviously, the main functionality of a customer data platform. So we have our native SDKs, front-end, back-end. You can find them back at developers.journey.io. This is our first version. We're currently working on our second version. We have obviously also segment that you can use so that if your platform website is already connected to segment, you can connect this from segment to the journey.io as a destination. But also you will want to connect your subscription data as in ChargeBee, Stripe. You will want to connect your CRM like Salesforce, like HubSpot, Pipedrive. You would like to connect other engagement platforms such as ActiveCampaign, Customer.io, Close.io, Intercom. You will want to connect your communication means, your collaboration like Slack and Discord. The moment you do this, it will start pulling semi-automatically. There's a few settings that you have to do. It will start collecting all the properties that there is to collect from all the tools around you. So if you have all the fields of HubSpot, we will know which one is a number, which one is a text. This is all automatically done. So we have all the data from all the ecosystem apps around you. On account level, on user level, and also as mentioned in previous video, and that's the reason why we only now provided that demo. We now also have relationship properties, like a role in the example of Elon being member of Tesla, Twitter, and SpaceX. And so going now to your actual data, let's take accounts, you will see that, let's take Twitter here. We know everything there is to know about Twitter. We have our favorite properties and events. We have the complete timeline. So we know that 12 days ago, a certain Elon Musk looked at the main screen, then a certain Elon Musk did feature one, and so forth and so forth. So we also know everything there is to know about Twitter. We know all the fields that there are from HubSpot, from Intercom, from Pipedrive in this case. And as mentioned before, this is a multi-user, multi-account environment. So Twitter in that case has one user. You can even see his role, his relationship fields here. But it's demo data. It wasn't filled in yet. But so you see that you see all the users within one account, and one user can also be part of different accounts. Let's go back to Twitter here. One of the things that you have to know is that everything I'm going to show you now and in following videos, whether it's stages, whether it's scores, whether it's signals, whether it's segmentation, whether it's playbook, whether it's cases, all comes down back to data. So for example, I will show you that Twitter has a churn score of 47, so a likelihood to churn that is 47. Well, if you're going to look at our churn score here, we have a property called churn score, which is 57. We have a health score, which is 43. So we have a health score, which is 43. Customer fit score. We have, for example, our segment signals. We only have one, which is state region. So our segment signals here is only one state region. So everything that you do comes back to data. And obviously, since we are a CDP, you can now go back to any connection that you have. You can have a destination here where you can actually start mapping all the data, all the calculations, all the computations that we do in journey.io and map them back to fields in HubSpot. In the example of Twitter, let's go to Twitter here. We can quickly, with one click, go to its corresponding HubSpot record, and you will see Twitter, and you see all the things that are mapped, such as the churn score 57, stage, health, signals, and so forth. To end, what we also can do as a first step in enrichment is that we have computed property. So you can basically create your own properties on top of the ones that you already have just by calculation. And we have a few of them. Let's say that we want to have the logins counter for the last 30 days. Then we can do a count. We have different functions basically, but we can do a count over a period from the event login for the last 30 days. And I'll save this. And now you will see that first of all, you go to an account like Twitter, and you look at the properties. Then you'll see that we have property here counter. Um, it's not yet filled in, but you will have soon the counter, the login counter will soon be here. And will you what you can do is you can go to your connections again, to your destinations, and add on account level, add another one which is the login counter last 30 days, which you can map to any other field like that exists. And this concludes our first video about customer data platform and computed properties and all kind of properties that we're computing in Journey.